Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. As I always say, I'm starting another chapter. I'm riding to Bangalore right now. The time is 6:07 in the morning. Let's go. So I'm actually going via Palakkad. I'm not going through Madurai because that's full of highways, man. It's gonna be extremely boring. So I've decided to go through Palakkad. So Palakkad is about 352 kilometers from here. And then from there, it's Coimbatore, and then, oh shit, I have to go this way. So after Palakkad, it's Coimbatore, and then you directly join into Salem. I believe that's the NH44, if I'm not wrong. And then from there, 180 kilometers to Bangalore. So in total, it's gonna be about 7-10 kilometers. Alright, so I've got the new crash guards and everything. The bike looks so sexy right now. Looks badass, to be honest with you. Yo, what that crow almost got killed by me. It wouldn't make me happy if I murdered a bird in the morning. Oh, it feels so good to be back on the highway. How long has it been since I've been on a proper ride? 3 months? Yeah, 3 months. This feels good. It really does. I'm so happy right now. The only problem about Kerala roads is that this right now you're watching it. Most of the Kerala roads are single lane, so means that you cannot really overtake easily. Right now I cannot overtake this guy. It's been a solid couple of minutes since I've been stuck behind him. Clear to go. Yeah, this can be irritating, but then comparing to the highways, this is much better. I believe you have something to do at least, you know. Alright, Angamali, Muvatipura, Shabarimala. I'm not really sure about my breakfast today. I don't think there's dining available. I mean, I could skip lunch, but not breakfast. Breakfast is really vital, so let me see if I can have it somewhere. Stupendous, look at that. Mist all over that. There's fog in there. That's nice. Oh my god. Some car guy just hit the dog. He fine? I feel so bad for it. Are you alright? ഏതോ വണ്ടി ഇടിച്ചിട്ട് പോയതാ. ഞാൻ നോക്കിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. ഇവിടെ വെച്ച് ഇടിച്ചിട്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വന്ന് വീണു. ആ, എന്നിട്ട് അവൻ നിർത്താതെ പോയി അവൻ. ശരി. ഓ ഓ മാൻ, I saw it. That dickhead didn't even stop after that. He just kept on going. Fucking idiot. I feel so bad, man. Like, honestly, I feel like crying. It's all green. I love it. Oh, that looks cool. Oh, I have to make a fuel stop. I've already ridden 17 kilometers in reserve. I didn't really notice that. Okay, I'm gonna stop at the first petrol bunk I see from now. Okay, it's time for petrol. Card edukko. Full. Madi. I finally got the privilege to say full in a petrol bunk. 10.20 liters. Alright, I just stopped to stretch. Alright, so right now I'm at Tiruvalla, another to 20 kilometers to Palakkad, which will take me about 4 hours maybe, I don't know, 4 hours, 4.5 hours. Bro, that's like the freaking 5th or 6th bird running in front of me, flying in front of me. The roads are starting to get a lot busy. Right into, oh, I have to take a left here. Oh yeah, this, oh yeah, I remember. Yeah, this is like a single stretch of road. There's no turn, anything until you reach Alappuzha town. Dude, at least I could have overtaken, like. I think the government is doing something to, you know, prevent water from getting in onto the road, of course. So I'm actually maintaining a good pace. It's not bad. It took me 2 hours to reach Alleppey. So that's not bad, I believe. That's a house there? Oh my god. He's got water that side and this side of the house. It must be really cool and sometimes maybe really annoying. This never gets old. To be honest, Alleppey is one of my favorite places. It's like a good chilling place, you know? You can book a room alongside the lake, I mean the backwaters. Just chill all day. Alright, so this is the bypass that recently opened. I think it's called the Alappuzha bypass. I'm not really sure about that, but it's new and people are going mad on this. I don't know for what reason. It's a decent bridge. I like it. It's nice. Oh, look at that. That's the beach. I forgot about this. Oh, okay, now I see why this is famous. You can see the beach as you know, ride or drive along this flyover. It's really nice. Okay, I'll give you that. Now I know why this is hyped up, because you can see the sea from here, you know. I've been here before. I've been to that place. You see that paved surface over there? I've been there before. Oh yeah, this stretch of road, I remember. I don't know why, but when people get onto this road, they go sicko mode. Like, they just don't care about the oncoming traffic. They just start overtaking. Look at that. Like, I've only seen this on this specific road a couple of kilometers ahead. I believe it's not just me who noticed this. So if you're watching this video, you might probably know where I'm riding to. I mean, from the Instagram stories and stuff, so might as well just say it. So I'm riding to Chikmagalur, and then Kudremukha, and then Koppa, and then Udupi and Gokana. Gokana will be our last place. It's not like we are going to visit specific places. Well, yeah, we have a couple of places listed out, so we'll visit them, and after that we might just, you know, basically just explore around, look what's around, you know. That's the plan. It's so hot right now. My bike's temperature is 42 degrees Celsius. Palakkad is about 120 kilometers from here. I'm actually meeting up with one of my friends in Palakkad. He owns a ADV 390. So I'm actually very close to Palakkad. It's only about, what, 6 kilometers. And I'll have to stop somewhere and call my friend. ഇറങ്ങട്ടെ. കൊള്ളാം അല്ലേ? ഹൈറ്റ് എങ്ങനെയാ? ഇതത്ര കുഴപ്പമില്ലല്ലോ. എനിക്ക് കുഴപ്പമില്ല, കണ്ടോ. This is actually my first time riding a ADV 390. It's a nice bike, very smooth actually. Okay, I can feel vibrations on the foot pegs a lot actually. This is so nimble. Look at this. I don't know why, but I feel this to be very uncomfortable after riding my Himalayan. It may be because I'm used to my Himalayan. take some time to get used to this. അടിപൊളി കൊള്ളാം ശരി ബ്രോ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ പോട്ടെ ആ ഊഫ് പൊള്ളിപ്പോയി സീറ്റ് ഓക്കെ ബൈ ശരി ഓ So I just had my lunch. The reason why I have my lunch here is because I have a clear vision of my bike from there, which is really nice. Too much wind. Look at the clouds. Looks beautiful. Okay, I hope you can hear me. I'm actually drenched in rain. My GoPro wasn't working, so I had to come under this petrol bunk and remove the battery and put it again, so that works. Stupid GoPros. Like I'm completely wet. Okay, let's go. I hope you can hear me. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but this is a lot of rain. I didn't ask for it. Please stop. I didn't even have time to wear my rain gear. It just started raining heavily in just a second. So yeah, I couldn't help it. Now I'm completely wet. Whoa, there's absolutely no rain in here. You're kidding me. I've been wanting to do this since a long time. Yes, it finally happened. Finally, I'm in Salem. Well, not really. About 4 kilometers more to Salem. But yeah, that was really nice though. Crosswinds are so strong that it's making me and the bike move left and right. I've been constantly cruising on 100 kilometers per hour since what, 2 hours right now, and I don't feel a thing. Like it's easy. I think it's mainly because of the engine oil maybe. Wind blast is a bit too much at the moment. The clouds has been, grabbing my attention a lot today. This is beautiful. I feel like I'm in a fantasy world. Yo, this is awesome. I've never seen this highway like this before. This is a small ghat section that you get while you're on your way to Bangalore. Just a small one. It might be about 2 or 3 kilometers, that's all. But you can have some fun. Another 5 kilometers and I'll be at the border. And Karnataka, here I come. Okay, there's no checking or anything like that. No RT-PCR needed. Nothing. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video right here. My back is aching really bad. It doesn't really ache like that, but yeah, I'll see you guys on day 1 of our ride, that is Bangalore to Chikmagalur. Yep, thank you for watching this video. Alright then, you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.